Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. I-journalist esebenzele i-NCA ibhale nansi i-post ethi breaking news. We are at the home of suspended Deputy National Police Commissioner Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya in Centurion, where his imminent arrest is believed to be effected shortly. It's understood police officers are inside the homestead, but Sibiya is yet to arrive with his attorney. Uma ke ngizwa noma ngibona le post ukuthi hayibo uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya ngenzeka aboshwe ngoba kwenze njani, ngoba phela bengifuna ukuqonda ukuthi uma ngabe kuthi uyaboshwa ngoba kwenze njani kuthiwa yini inkinga. Ngase ke ngibheka kwi-NCA. Ngithe ngingakabheki ku-NCA ngazithela phekwe audio clip ethunyelwe uBrigadier Athlenda Mathe spokesperson we-SAPS. Ngizokucaphunela leyo clip manje uzwe ukuthi yena utheni.
As you all know, there are investigations that are ongoing, as publicized and mentioned before the ad hoc committee and the Madlanga Commission. But as SAPS, so far we are not aware of any person that has been arrested thus far, and that includes Lieutenant General Shadrack Sibiya.
Kusho kuka Brigadier Athlenda Mathe, yebo bayazi ukuthi kune case evuliwe njengoba uGeneral Mkhwanazi asho kwi-commission kaMadlanga, njobe eshilo futhi nakwi-ad hoc committee ukuthi kune case ayivulile defeating the ends of justice, ayivulele la uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya nabanye. Kodwa njengamaphoyisa abanalwazi ukuthi kunephoyisa eliboshwayo. Uma ke usuzwe lokhu uthi mhlambe lena ngaba yi-fake news, ngase ngiyobheka ku-NCA yona ngokwayo ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngathola ukuthi baposta ivideo lapho. Lama journalist womabili asemzini kaGeneral Shadrack Sibiya. Ngicela ukukukhombisa nansi ivideo yabo.
Yes, very much for speaking to folks. This comes at a time where we have the APA committee process unfolding and the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry just happening now, developing story. Take us through.
Well, Pule, what we know so far is that police arrived here about half an hour ago. We are told that there was a helicopter in the air. The heavily armed police task force was apparently also here, very many other specialized police units. We are told that Lieutenant General Sibiya was not at home at the time, and apparently he was busy with his attorney. His wife is reportedly inside the house, and we just saw an officer or two opening the door, and we saw members of the task team. Well, there's a vehicle that's arriving.
We're just looking at this vehicle here. Garrett, just going inside. It's not yet found here as whose vehicle this may be. The windows are tilted, but we're waiting to see who this currently may be inside this vehicle. But while we're waiting, maybe perhaps you can still take us through it, Yusuf.
Yeah, so we're not clear as to what the charges are or whether it's a search and seizure operation.
Yeah.
But we know for a matter of fact that charges were being investigated by the South African Police Service. And it comes at a time as the National Commissioner takes a stand before the ad hoc committee. Now, we are told that General Sibiya is en route from you are busy with his attorneys to this house here in Centurion on a small holding. As you can see, there are very high walls, a lot of cameras. There seems to be a security or a guard room. And we're not sure as yet who is inside this vehicle with tinted windows.
You spoke.
Ngobuzwa ukuthi bayasho lama journalist asemzini wakhe uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya akekho yena. Kodwa amaphoyisa akhona basalindileke ukubona ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani. Ngitheke uma ngisakhathazekile ngilibheka lolu daba ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani, ngoba uBrigadier Athlenda Mathe spokesperson wamaphoyisa uthi there is no arrest bona abayaziyo eyenzekayo njengamaphoyisa, including nokuboshwa kaGeneral Shadrack Sibiya. Ngithe mangithi ngena ku Newsroom Africa ngathola ukuthi ngenhlahla bafonela ilawyer kaGeneral Shadrack Sibiya. Sizocaphuna yona ngoba ilawyer kaGeneral Shadrack Sibiya iqinisekisile ukuthi amaphoyisa ngempela akhona emzini kaGeneral Shadrack Sibiya. Akakaboshwa, akakasho ukuthi uboshiwe, kodwa isishilo ukuthi amaphoyisa akhona emzini kaGeneral Shadrack Sibiya. Ilokho kushiwo ilawyer yakhe. Into engizoyenza ngizokufakela iaudio, izoba iaudio, izokuba ivideo, kodwa uzoyizwa inkulumo epheleleyo ye-lawyer ka-General Shadrack Sibiya ngoba nayo vele bayifonelile. Ngiyacela ukuthi uzwe la.
Ian Levitt joins us now on the line. Ian, good afternoon to you. I do appreciate you speaking to us during this moment of breaking news. What are you able to tell us? Are police making some move against your client, Shadrack Sibiya?
Yes, I'm driving into the house right now following my client. There is a large police presence here, I think. Yeah, there is. With machine guns, all very useful for when this is ventilated. Masked police with machine guns, but that's we'll deal with in at the right time. They're not even allowing attorney into the house, but that will also be dealt with in time. But you're getting it real time now.
Okay, do we know what it is that they want at this stage?
I can only tell you what I've been told, or heard on the radio, and that it was defeating the ends of justice. So that's what it is. But they are masked police with automatic rifles at the house now. But yeah, so we understand 5 of them, 6 of them, 7 of them, all masked with sub-automatic machine guns, 8 of them.
Okay.
So that's what I can tell you now.
You say
No,
this...
9, 10. No, there's even more.
Okay.
This is, yeah, there we go.
All right, I think we hear you on that. So you say about trying to pervert the course of justice, presumably on the face of it, from what you know at this point, this would be linked to the reason that he was suspended. This would seem, you know more about this than I do, to be about the dockets that were taken or allegedly taken.
Even after, it sounds logical that it's related to the inquiry, the Madlanga inquiry, whatever's being dealt with there, absolutely. But I can't say for sure. I've just walked in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, over nearly a dozen. I don't know what's expecting here, but yeah, there's more. But even, logically speaking, it's got to do with the Madlanga inquiry, I presume.
Was there any warning that this was coming? I mean, I realize in situations like this, Ian, I know you're an attorney of some repute and some experience. When someone is being investigated, there's often a communication. The lawyer will often be in touch with the investigating officer. Did you know that what's happening today was going to happen?
Absolutely not. I didn't receive any warning whatsoever.
And I mean, presumably, there are other ways this could have happened. If they wanted to speak to your client, they could have called you.
Absolutely. In fact, they're at his house right now. It's very easy to do so as a Deputy National Commissioner of Police.
Are there documents that they could be looking for? Would your client have been keeping documents on his property?
I'm not sure at the moment. I'm literally walking into the house as we speak.
And your client's view, of course, as you represent him, is that he would be innocent of any wrongdoing in this?
Sure.
Ngoba kade uzwa-ke lawyer isho ukuthi bakhona ingenele endlini ngaphakathi manje njengoba bekhuluma nefoni ekhuluma nentatheli Newsroom Africa ubechaza ukuthi impela amaphoyisa akhona kodwa atshelwe khona ngathi is defeating the ends of justice usola kodwa ukuthi ngathi luthintelene neMadlanga Commission so sizozwa ukuhamba kosuku ukuthi bazothini kodwa nje lokho kusho uBrigadier Atlenda Mathe ingoba akaboshwa umuntu khumbula ukuthi uGeneral Sibiya akekho uthumela ummeli wakhe ngoba yena akekho angimazi noma usendleleni noma kwenzakalani kodwa yena akekho ekhaya ummeli wakhe lo okhona ozozi ukuthi kwenzakalani so sizolinda ke sizolilandela udaba lakhona sizwe kuthiwani and uGeneral Mkhwanazi uthe investigation seyiyaphela seyikuvutho ndaba ngasho njalo investigation seyikuvutho ndaba singezwe nje noma yini kungenzeka na kuba seyiqalile kungenzeka na angeke ke speculate kodwa into ezosiza ukuthi silinde sizwe ukuthi kuthiwani ekugcineni ngoba ekugcineni kosuku kukhona bazokusho kithi bazosazisa bona ukuthi kwenzakalani baphetha ngalephi ngoba nakho ngathi ku serious lolu daba ngoba baze basemzini wakhe phela ukuba semzini nomuntu usho ukuthi nisuke nizimisele ngokuyenza lento enithiwa niyoyenza uma bezombopha bazosichazela ukuthi uboshwa ngoba kwenze njani uma bengambophi kukhona izinto abayozifuna bazosichazela futhi ukuthi hhayi kukhona izinto abebeyozifuna. Asilinde nje. Bengithi angikwazise lo ukuthi nansi into eyenzakalayo. Kodwa nje ukuqhubeka kusuku uma kuvela izinto ezintsha ngizokwazisa ukuthi nakho sekuvela nansi into ekuthiwa iyenzeka. Mina wena nje bekezelela nje ulinde mina. Wena linda mina ngiyeza mina ne-information epheleleyo. Ingakho ngithe angingalinda ngikwazise okwenzeka manje uba lento into eyenzeka manje. It's about an hour ago. Lento yenzekile so ukuhamba kwesikhathi bazogcina besitshelile mhlambe naye ubrigadier Atlenda Mathe uzobe senolwazi emva kwalelo hour ukuthi okuyikona kona okwenzakalayo ikona kuphi bese besipha imininingane egcwele. Mina nawe kasidibane kwivideo elandelayo.